Welcome to this tutor on limits, and today's lesson we are going to discuss about one-sided limits. So we'll start with the right hand limit. So we have the left hand limit and also the right hand limit. So let us first check what is a right hand limit. So if you have a limit of f of x which is equal to L as x approaches a, but now with the plus on the top, like as a power, then it means this is x approaching a from right hand side. The plus is indicating is coming from the positive side of the Cartesian plane, so that is the right hand side. So this works when the f of x, the function of f of x, is going very closer to L, as x is also going very closer to a, but x should be greater than a. This is because we are referring to the limit where we want x should be coming closer to a from positive. So it means if x is going toward a from positive or from right hand side, then it means x is greater than a. But we are not referring to x being equal to a, but only x greater than a. Now let us look at the left hand limit. So the left hand limit, we are saying that is when you have a limit as the function f of x approaches L as x approaches a from negative. So here we are referring to where the values of x which are approaching a are coming from the left hand side. So for this one works when x is less than a, because the values of x are coming from the left, which means they are less than a if we can refer to the Cartesian plane. So we can also check the one-sided limit by using the graphs. So from these two Cartesian plane, let us start with the figure 1, where we are trying to show the right hand side limit. So we have this graph here where we have values x approaching a, but from the right hand side. So since they are coming from the right hand side, we said that this is a limit of f of x as x approaches a from positive. So that's why this one, the values of x are coming from positive 3 going toward positive 1.5. So while for the figure 2, where we are showing the left hand limit, we are saying that the limit of f of x as x is approaching a from the negative side. So if you can check, the values of the a is here, and the values of x which are approaching a are coming from the left hand side going toward a. Because they are coming from the left hand side, we represent it with the negative. So this is how we represent the one-sided limits on Cartesian plane. For more information on the limits and other mathematics problems, you can check our YouTube channel, Math Tutor 78. Thank you for listening.